here's how to put on your JSP Force8 half mask. Start by removing the gasket protection seal and install your filters. To do this, you'll need to locate the locking lugs on the filters and match them to the arrow marked on the mask itself. Once located, insert the filters and twist to the locking position. Repeat this action on the other side of the mask. To put on the mask, make sure the 4 adjustment straps are loose and pull the mask over your head. Connect the buckle on the lowest strap around your neck and pull the elastic just as tight. Tighten the top strap and make sure the mask fits comfortably. It's worth noting that this mask will only effectively work if you are clean shaven. You can check that the mask is working effectively with the handy press to check design on the filters. Simply pinch the filters and try to breathe in. If the mask is correctly donned, then you won't be able to breathe in and you'll be able to feel and see the rubber of the mask deform. Make sure to test this with your head in multiple positions. If you don't get a good seal, you may need to adjust your straps or the mask may not be the correct size for you.